This is me calling out TikTok, CapCut, Google, and other tech platforms. This is 2026, yet African languages are not included in the captions, especially Yoruba language. Yoruba language is spoken by tens of millions across the globe, not only in Nigeria. We are not few, we are millions. We need Yoruba captions. Every time I upload my videos in Yoruba language, it is a struggle for me to translate, even though I want to include a caption. Because once the caption comes in, I'll be able to translate. And I find this very, how do I put it? I find it very hard. Most creators struggle. You can see when you watch many of the Yoruba creators creating content, if you watch their content, they don't translate, they don't include captions because it's a struggle. We can't find Yoruba captions. If we can find the captions, it will be easier for us to do what? To translate. So we need Yoruba captions on all our social media platforms, on all our tech platforms. It's a good thing that we now have the text. We can type